Hi, this is Hansel. It's been a while. Like literal na a while talaga since last ako nga nakapag-post dito. I know I'm not consistent dito sa YouTube. Wala naman talaga akong viewers. Gusto ko lang, naisipan ko lang siyang magbalik alindog sa YouTube because napapansin ko may binabalik-balikan pala ako. Like, hindi ko na papansin. May nasisave pala ako memory dito sa YouTube. Even though hindi ako monetize, even though inconsistent yung mga content ko, life update after years of being inactive here on TikTok. Here on YouTube. Right now, I am unemployed. I don't have a client. I have been unemployed for 1 week. There are times na nagwo-worry ako. There are times na what if hindi siya mag-work? Parang right now I don't have any plan to pursue clients as a virtual assistant. By the way, I am a virtual assistant and previous to that I am a call center agent. I'm learning. And you know what? ChatGPT really helps me when it comes to talking, especially with my pronunciation, pronunciation, and the grammar. But grammar is there as long na naiintindihan ka. Nandito ako sa bahay. It's September, first week of September. I'm trying to work my TikTok affiliate journey. It has been 1 week. Naging focus ako dito. And ang rami kong mga strategies na nakikita sa TikTok. Nalilito na ako kung ano yung susundin ko or hindi. So right now, I'm trying to explore ano yung gusto ko talagang content, gusto ko talagang gawin. As of the moment, I really want to make it work and I hope it work. And sana meron ng benta this month. Hopefully kahit 10,000 lang, Lord, please. Para naman ma-assure ako, may assurance ako ba na, may pera pala sa TikTok. Because as of the moment, I don't have any other source of income. Yung advantage ko lang is I live with my parents. Walang renta na binabayaran. I'm also not a breadwinner, so I guess I can consider myself blessed and lucky in that part. Though we have different struggles, ha. I wanted to be always grateful, appreciate things, and also most of all to be happy, to enjoy what I'm doing. Because right now, I am trying to figure out what I really want. And I think I know I wanted to be back on YouTube kahit isang upload lang per day, random lang. Actually, I'm planning to do recos sa mga items na nabibili ko sa TikTok, and it's really good, guys. And coming soon, I will be doing melatonin because I have rated content about melatonin, kaso I think that's not FDA approved. So, wala naman akong binigay doon na link. May nang-comment kasi and nakita ko may mga 3 comments siya doon. Hindi ko na-expect na may nakaka-reach pala yung content ko na yon. So, I'll be doing that on my next video, the melatonin, yung pampatulog, if they approve one. As of the moment, I'm still trying to figure out how to, paano kunin yung kiliti ng mga tao. I mean, like, right now, gusto ko ng hero product. Sana may hero product na ako. ASAP. Gusto kong maranasan yung may hero product ka. Gusto kong maranasan na may mga nagko-comment. And sana meron. Hopefully. Hindi ako pala share talaga. Pero wala namang nanonood sa YouTube ko. So, ako lang rin naman yung manonood. So, yeah. Welcome back to YouTube Self and hi sa akong 442 subscribers. Hi guys, I know this subscribers of mine is gikan ni sila sa mga galing to sila sa games, tutorials, and iba-ibang mga content na nilalagay ko. But yeah, hello. And that's also for today. Tapos ko lang maligo hapon na and kakain pa ako. By the way, I just wanted to share how grateful I am sa parents ko na hindi nila pinaramdam sa akin na ma-pressure. But instead, yung ginawa nila is tinatawag nila ako pag aalis sila, baka gusto ko daw sumama. Ina-assured nila ako na, though hindi naman talaga, si mama talaga, word talaga yung sa kanya na ina-assured niya ako. Si papa ko naman is, sinaaya din niya ako na bili tayo isda, punta tayo sa dagat. Yung parang usual na ginagawa niya na siya lang mag-isa. Pero inaano niya ako na baka gusto mo sumama at syempre sumasama naman ako every now and then. Yung mga ganong gesture nila is na feel ko na they're really, amazing. Hindi ko alam anong word. But that's it. Mag-install pa ako ng CapCut kasi in-uninstall ko siya. I don't know anong klaseng edit na magagawa ko because CapCut is no longer free. Nakakaloka kasi CapCut. It's a good app. Bye guys!